Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to create a no-return discount campaign using the Kiwi Return Saver app. I'll show you the entire process so you can follow along and get everything set up confidently on your store. Let's get started. In your Shopify dashboard, click on Apps, then select Kiwi Return Saver. That'll take you directly to the app dashboard. Once you're in, go ahead and click on Discount Campaigns in the left-hand sidebar. This is the section where you'll create and manage all of your Return Saver campaigns. To set up a new one, click the Create Campaign button in the top right. Now let's start the setup. Start by giving your campaign a name. This is just for internal use, so feel free to call it whatever helps you stay organized. Something like Summer Final Sale Discount or Keep and Save 10%. If you want the campaign to start later, you can enable the launch date. Just select the date and time, and it will follow your store's time zone automatically. But this part's optional. You can uncheck it if you want the campaign to go live right away. Next, choose the type of discount you'd like to offer. You can go with percentage off, like 15% off, or fixed amount off, like $10 off. Then enter the discount value based on what you selected. Once that's done, scroll down to the discount display section. This is where you can customize how the offer appears to your customers. Start with the badge text. This is the label that shows up near the Add to Cart button. You can write something like, No returns, 15% off, or Final Sale, save $10. After that, choose the badge color. Pick something that fits your store's design, but still stands out enough to grab attention. Next, write the message. This includes the checkbox message and what shows up when a customer clicks the info icon next to the opt-in checkbox. You can stick with the default message or write your own. Once everything looks good, click Save at the top of the page. Now it's time for the final step, selecting products for the campaign. You can click Next Step or just hit the Select Products section at the top of your campaign page. Now click Select Individual Products to choose specific items, and a product selector will pop up. Here, you can search by product title, product ID, barcode, or SKU. You can also filter them by product categories, collections, types, tags, or vendors to narrow it down quickly. Once you've made your selections, click Add. Wait a moment for everything to load, and then you'll see a list of the products where the campaign will be active. To finish, click Activate Campaign at the top of the screen. If you didn't set a launch date earlier, the campaign will go live right away. To see how it looks in action, just click the preview icon next to any product in your list. That'll open up your storefront so you can view the badge and opt-in box just like a customer would. And that's it, your campaign is live. If you ever have questions or need a hand with anything, you can check out our help center or start a chat with our support team. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your first campaign.